three apps that could be used for my job would be Gmail, Google Drive, Zoom, and Google Hangouts. All right, so Drive would be a good way for me to um, keep clientele documentation and go back and forth to it, so I can have all that organized, so I know which client has which information, such as a dieting plan or workout plan, etc. And all of these apps are also able to use on any iOS device or Android even. So just like on the computer, iPad, and even your cell phone. Next is Zoom. Zooming Google Hangouts. Zoom would be a good way to talk to a client or work virtually if they're sick, or with the kids, or even just chatting it up day to day with the encouragement or any tips, dieting tips that they may need. And Gmail would be a good way to send things to the clients, if not by phone, sending documentation, sending videos, or sending dieting plans, attachments, and other stuff like that. Like I said, all of these are available on via iPhone devices or Android, iPad, and computer.